Hello everyone, welcome to my review of the TP-Link 400 megabits per second wireless end router. I wasn't going to do a review on this. I've had it for about good 6 months, but I did a written review on Amazon and people asked a few questions there, and plus I've had a few friends and family come over and they were asking questions because they've got the newer AC routers out now. Now this is, if you go on Amazon, this is Amazon's choice of router that they're selling, and it's for £23, and it's on a single band. It's the 2.4 gigahertz. Now obviously the AC routers have the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz, but don't disregard this router if you use it the way I'm using it. More on that in a bit. Let me take you through the router first. Obviously you can see model number there. It says 450 megabits per second wireless end router. You get 3 years guarantee with this. And then at the back there, some more stuff about the router. I'm going to walk you through the router, that's why I'm not reading anything on the box. Now the thing with this is it has its own app as well, so you can control it from his app. That's what I do. I control it on the app. So let me just put the box to a side. Right, that's the router itself. I've got it in use, but I've taken the wires off just to show you properly. It has 3 fixed omnidirectional antennas, which are really good for getting Wi-Fi, and then power button Wi-Fi, 4 extra Ethernet ports that it's got at the back. That's for the internet, and that is your, when you put your WPS button, it's got at the back to power on Wi-Fi. At the bottom it's got 4 rubber feet, and it's got the SSID number, TP-Link, Wi-Fi, the MAC code and everything that's at the bottom there. At the back now, obviously that's the power port. Then next to it, it's got power on off. It has a reset button, what you do with the pin, WPS for Wi-Fi, 1 internet port, and then it's got 4 other Ethernet ports that you can power your devices. I'm actually powering, I've got my TV and my PC powering through this. It's really simple to set up because they put a quick start guide in. So all you do is, once you power it up, you go into open a browser of your choice and just follow these instructions, 192.168.0.01, and it should come up, and the default username and password is admin as it tells you there. And then from there you just follow the instructions, download the app from App Store or Google Play, and you can use it that way as well. Control it through the app. How I use it is, I've got my main router is in the hallway. That's from Virgin here in the UK. It's on Virgin Media fiber optic. That is in the hallway. Then this router here is in my room. I use this for my, as I've mentioned before, for my PC, my smart TV, and I also use Wi-Fi from this router for my phone. And then above this, the room is my son's room. Now he does 4K gaming. He's got 4K TV and he's got the Xbox One X. The questions I got asked was, one was, how is it with PS4? Would it stay good with no lag spikes and good ping? Absolutely, because we're using it on Xbox One X and it's perfect, and that's through Wi-Fi. We're using the Wi-Fi from this router going up, and it says, can I use this instead of my existing BT broadband router? Yes, you can, but the thing is though, if you've got fiber optic, then it wouldn't be suitable for you because this is only 2.4. Now the other question is, my router is downstairs, so if I have this upstairs, will it affect users downstairs? No, it will not affect it, because how this works is, now if you've got fiber optic broadband and you want to replace this as your main router, then I wouldn't recommend it, because the fiber optic works with 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So basically the 2.4 is your main one, that's got a longer reach, but when that gets congested, it jumps over to 5. That has a shorter reach, so you've got to be you can't be too far away from the router when you're using the 5 gigahertz. So in that sense, no, you're better off with the newer AC routers. This, like the way I use it as a secondary router, it's really good for that with the 2.4 because it has a further reach. I've had this for months and honestly I have absolutely no problem with it, and it's really cheap as well. Amazon have it on for £23 at the moment, so yeah, I can definitely recommend it. You won't have any issues with gaming, video streaming, anything. Definitely recommend it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.